Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play It Takes Two online on PC. This fantastic cooperative adventure is designed for 2 players, and thankfully, only one of you needs to purchase the full game. The other player can join the fun using the free Friends Pass. We'll walk through the simple steps to get you and your friend connected and ready to embark on your journey together. Once you've launched It Takes Two, navigate to the main menu and select the Play Online option. From there, you'll see an easy way to invite your friend. Simply choose Invite Friend and send them an invitation through your platform system, whether it's Steam or the EA app. Remember, your friend will need to have the free Friends Pass downloaded and installed on their PC to accept your invite. For your friend, the process is straightforward. They just need to accept your game invitation, which will appear through their Steam or EA app client. Make sure they have the Friends Pass installed and are logged in. Once they accept, the game will automatically begin the connection process, bringing both of you into the same lobby. It's a seamless way to jump right into the action and start your cooperative adventure. With both players successfully connected in the game lobby, you're all set to begin your journey. Simply select Start Game, and It Takes Two will launch, immersing you in its imaginative world. Remember, communication is key in this game, as many puzzles require close cooperation. Enjoy the unique and heartwarming experience of playing through this incredible story together, solving challenges as a team.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.